11B. Visiting different places. Listen and look at the picture. There is one example.
Hello, Charlie. Do you like this picture?
It's okay, but can I color it?
Yes. What would you like to color first?
Well, can you see the boy with the parrot on his shoulder?
Yes.
I'm coloring his rucksack. Can you see that too? It's green now.
Can you see the green rucksack? This is an example. Now you listen and colour and draw and write. 1.
What else can I color?
What about the goat?
Which one?
The one at the bottom of the waterfall. Make it brown.
Okay, I'm doing that now.
2.
And what can I do now?
Can you see the kites?
Yes. Can I color the one that's on the grass?
Not that one. Color the one that's in the air. Make it blue.
Good idea.
3.
Now I'd like you to draw something. Can you see the empty plate?
Yes. Shall I draw something there?
Yes, draw a biscuit on it.
That's easy.
Then color it yellow, please.
Okay.
4.
Can I color something else in this picture?
Okay. What would you like to color?
The leaves?
No, don't color those. Color the spider.
The bigger one?
Yes, that's right. Make it purple.
5.
And can you write something for me now, please?
Yes. Where can I write something in this picture?
Can you see the board?
Yes. I can see the word hill on it.
Good. Please write the word green above that word.
Do you spell that like the color?
Yes. That looks great. Well done.
12B. A journey into space. Listen and write names.
Can you see the robot in this picture? You can? Good. The robot's name is Zenith. You spell that Z-E-N-I-F. Now look at the 3 astronauts. The one in the middle is behind the net. His name's Yabachi. I'll spell that for you. It's Y-E-B-A-R-C-H-I. The astronaut that's jumping out of the rocket has a really unusual name too. He's called Paviol. That's P-A-V-I-O-L. Can you see the 3rd astronaut? She's at the front of the picture. Look, she's playing badminton too. Her name's Glustida. Write her name now. You spell it G-L-U-S-T-I-D-A.
12E. A journey into space. Listen and write the names of the planets and then colour the planets. 1.
Dad, I have to write the names of the planets and color this picture. Can you help me?
All right. Find the planet that's nearest the sun.
Do you mean the smallest planet?
Yes. Color it brown. That's the color of Mercury in space.
Mercury? Okay.
2.
Now, look for the biggest planet. Its name is Jupiter.
And what color is Jupiter?
Well, first, draw a red spot on that planet.
And then what must I do?
Put some orange and yellow stripes on that planet.
All right.
3.
4 of the planets have rings round them. Can you see?
Oh, yes. What's the name of this planet? The one with the most rings.
That's Saturn.
And I know what color Saturn is. It's yellow.
That's right. Use that color.
4.
Which planet is between Saturn and Neptune?
That's Uranus. And Uranus is the same color as Neptune.
So it's light blue then?
That's right. Make it that color.
5.
The last planet to color is Mars.
Wait a minute. Mars is the red planet, isn't it?
That's right.
Great. I've got the right pencil here then. Thanks, Dad. That's the end of my homework.
13b. What horrible weather! Listen. Use words from A to complete the sentences. 1.
Oh no! Look at those big black clouds in the sky, Ben.
If it's raining at the sports centre, we can't play volleyball outside.
2.
Did you hear that storm last night, Dad?
Yes, Lily. I couldn't sleep because it was so noisy.
3.
Look over there, Mum. Oh, yes. What a lovely rainbow. It's beautiful.
4.
The temperature is still below 0, so be careful when you ride your bike to school today, Helen.
Don't worry, Dad. I know there might be ice on the roads.
5.
It's really late, Mom. Can't you drive any faster?
Not in this fog, Fred. It's too dangerous.
6.
Look at all the snow, John. It's falling really quickly now.
Well, let's go outside and make snowballs.
13c. What horrible weather! Listen and look. There is one example.
Do you like this picture, Grandpa? My friends and I often go to this playground.
It looks great there.
Can you see the boy on the swing? The one with blonde hair.
Yes. Why isn't he wearing any shoes?
I don't know. His name's Harry. He's in my class at school.
Can you see the line? This is an example. Now you listen and draw lines.
There's Betty,
Which girl is she?
the girl who's sitting on the seat. She's got her puppy with her. Oh, it's so sweet.
What kind of music is she listening to?
I'm not sure. She likes all kinds.
And who's that? The man with the little girl on his shoulders.
That's Mr. Chips. His first name's George.
And is that his daughter?
That's right. They often come to this playground together. And there's Emma. Look, she's got her sledge with her.
Why? There's no snow on the ground.
I know, but she likes sitting on it sometimes.
She's got a kite, too.
Yes, she likes flying it on windier days.
I think I know that person. The one with sunglasses on.
The woman who's reading the magazine?
Yes. Is her name Sarah?
No, it's Holly.
Oh, I'm surprised. She looks like one of Grandma's friends.
And can you see the boy who's combing his hair?
I'm not sure. Do you mean the boy in the green t-shirt?
Not him. The other one. He's wearing a black t-shirt.
Oh, yes. What's his name?
He's called William. I don't know him very well, but he's quite nice.
Good.
13E. What horrible weather. Listen to the first half of the story. What did you hear?
4 friends are in the playground. Their names are Sue, Michael, Vicky, and Robert. Some other people are there too. It's a sunny day and everyone's happy. The weather suddenly changes. It gets cloudier and then starts to rain. Brr, my hair's getting really wet, says Sue to Robert. And I'm frightened of storms, Vicky says to Sue. Well, I'm getting really cold. I haven't got a jacket, says Robert to Michael. Come on, Michael says to Vicky and the other 2 children. Let's run to my house.
13F. What horrible weather. Listen. Which picture goes with the next part of the story?
The children are watching TV in Michael's living room, but they aren't enjoying themselves.
What can we do?
The weather's worse now. Look, it's horrible out there.
How about watching some cartoons on the internet?
We can't do that. Dad turns the computer off when there's a storm.
We could play chess. Or what about doing some drawing?
No, that's boring, Michael.
Shall we just watch some more TV then?
Yes!
14C. Are you hungry? Thirsty? Listen and look. 1. What can Betty have for dinner?
What can I have for dinner, Dad?
Would you like a bowl of soup and some cheese, Betty?
Again? I had that for lunch.
Did you? Well, what about some chicken and rice?
Can I have sausages and beans? I like that much more.
All right.
2. What did David have for lunch?
What did you have for lunch at school today, David?
A burger.
What did you have with it? Fries?
No, I was very good. I had a salad.
Did you have a drink of milk too?
No, just a glass of water today.
3. What does Katie want for breakfast?
Good morning, Katie. Are you hungry?
Not very. What's for breakfast?
I'm having eggs and tomatoes. Do you want some?
No, just bread with jam, please.
Okay. What about some orange juice or some fruit, too?
No, thanks.
4. What did Tony eat at the party?
Did you enjoy the party yesterday, Tony?
Yes, it was great. A clown came and we laughed a lot.
Did you have sandwiches like last year?
Not this time. This year we had pizza. It was excellent.
Anything else?
No, there wasn't any birthday cake.
15A. What's for dinner? Listen and look. There is one example.
I'm reading a funny book, Dad. It's for younger children, really, but I don't mind that. The story's about the animals in this picture.
Oh, they're having a picnic. They look very strange.
Yes, they do. And all these animals have names. Can you see Paul? He's already sitting on one of the seats.
Do you mean the animal with the chopsticks?
That's right.
Can you see the line? This is an example. Now you listen and draw lines.
What are they eating? It's difficult to see.
Sausages and burgers, but I think the cook burned some of them.
What's the cook's name?
Harry. He likes wearing that red hat in sunny weather. He sometimes wears sunglasses too.
The two giraffes are enjoying themselves. Look.
Yes. The shorter one's called Vicky.
I didn't know that parrots can skip.
Well, this one can.
What kind of juice is that spider drinking?
It's mango juice, I think.
Well, it's enjoying it. What's its name?
Jill. It's a really strange spider. If it wants to, it can change the colour of its body and legs.
What a good idea. I'd like to do that.
Dad. And look, there's Richard.
Which animal is that?
The one with the camera in its arms.
Does it like taking photos?
Yes, it's looking at some on the little screen. And here's Anna. She likes whistling to music all day long.
Why is she moving her wings up and down?
She wants to fly off to fetch some more food, I think. I can't remember.
I see. So, what will the other animals do after their picnic?
I'm not sure. I have to read more of the story to find out.
15D. What's for dinner? Listen and order the pictures 1 to 6.
William's wonderful honey cake. Right. This is how I make my favorite cake. You need a cupful of flour, some butter, 2 eggs, a large spoonful of honey, and something else. Oh, a cupful of sugar, of course. To prepare, you should turn the cooker on before you start and wash your hands. First, put some sugar into a big bowl. You don't need very much because there's honey in this cake too. When the sugar's in the bowl, cut the butter into small pieces. Use a knife to do that. Then you can add the butter to the sugar. Mix these two things together with a big spoon. Find some flour and put that in next. Then break the eggs and put those carefully into the same big bowl. Last, you put the honey in. You don't need a lot. Then you mix everything together again with your big spoon. Some people add carrots before they put the cake into the cooker. That might sound really strange, but carrots taste great in cakes. You cook the cake for half an hour. Enjoy!
17C. A day's work. Listen and write the numbers of the pictures in A. A.
I love my job. I love making different meals for people to eat. Our restaurant is very famous for its food.
B.
We have to work in theatres in lots of different places. But it's great because people like coming to see us.
C.
It's great when someone brings you a very old car. I have lots of fun with those. But most of our work is with newer cars. I like finding the problems and making everything right again.
D.
When something happens, we have to go and find out all the important things. Then we quickly send the news story to the newspaper office.
17E. A day's work. Listen and look. There is one example. What did Sarah take to each place?
What's the matter, Mum?
I'm tired. There was something wrong with my computer this morning. I couldn't send any emails. I had to take some letters to another office in the town. It was a long walk.
Oh dear.
Can you see the letter B? Now you listen and write a letter in each box.
You know my new dark blue jacket?
Yes.
I took it back to that little clothes shop before I went to work. After I washed it, it was light blue. I was very angry. But the woman there was kind. She gave me my money back.
Did you write any stories today?
Yes. I took some good photos with my new camera too. I took it with me to the castle. A group of actors are making a film there. I asked them lots of questions. It was exciting. I saw Helen at lunchtime.
I like her. She's funny.
She is, isn't she? I needed to give her back her scarf. She left it in our car last Sunday. So I took it to the new cafe in High Street. We had a lovely meal there. I gave someone my umbrella today.
Why?
Well, I saw lots of people outside the supermarket. Dan Sun, the famous TV star, is making a new TV programme about shopping there. I went inside to ask him some questions, but he was too busy to talk to me. Then it started to rain, so I gave it to him. I wanted to come home after that, but I had to take a map to a hotel first, the one where all the actors are staying.
Why?
Because one of the actors needed it. I found one in my favourite bookshop. He was very happy when I gave it to him.
18B. Time and work. Listen and look. There is one example. 1. What time is lunch today?
Bye, Mom. See you at 3:30.
Wait, Sally. You have to be back before that. Lunch is at 3 o'clock today.
That's late for lunch. We usually have it at 2.
I know, but not today.
Can you see the number 1? Now you listen and write 2, 3 and 4. 2. What time does the boys' television programme begin?
There's a great programme on TV tonight.
What time is it on? I want to watch the news at 9 p.m.
No problem. Mine starts at 7:15 and finishes at 8:30.
3. What time does Anne have to get up for school?
Do you have to get up early, Anne?
Not this week, because I'm on holiday. I get up at 10. But when it's school time, I have to get up at 8:30.
Do you? I get up at about 7 o'clock every day.
4. What time is it now?
Quick, May. It's late.
No, it isn't. It's only 4 o'clock. The film doesn't start until 4:30.
Oh, sorry. My watch is wrong. It says 25 minutes past.
That's okay.
18D. Time and work. Listen and look. There is one example. What's Kim's job?
Hello. Is your sister working in an office now?
You mean Kim? Yes, but only for about an hour each day. She isn't a secretary.
Is she an artist then?
She's an engineer. She works on roads and bridges most of the time.
Can you see the tick? Now you listen and tick the box. 1. How does Kim go to work?
Does Kim take the bus to work?
She could do that, but she needs to drive there and to travel to different parts of the city each day.
Can't she use a bike? There's so much traffic.
I think she'd like to, but she needs to carry too much.
2. What time does Kim start work?
What time does Kim have to be at work?
Well, she has to get up at 6:15. Then she has breakfast and leaves home at 6:45.
So when does she arrive in her office?
At 7:30. It's really early, but she doesn't mind.
3. Where does Kim have lunch?
Where does Kim take her lunch break? Does she go home?
She doesn't have enough time to do that, Mr. Lowe.
Is there a cafe in the building where she works then?
Yes, but she usually takes sandwiches and eats them in the park. She likes doing that best.
4. What was Kim's first job?
Is this Kim's first job? She told me she wanted to work in a clothes shop.
Well, she didn't do that. But she worked at the police station last summer.
Really?
Yes, but she didn't have to wear a uniform. She worked in the kitchen there.
5. What does Kim like most about her job?
Is your sister happy in her new job?
She loves it. She really enjoys being outside.
Does she have to go to lots of meetings too?
Yes, but she doesn't enjoy those very much. And she hates talking on the telephone.
19B. Answer my questions. Listen and colour the museum picture in A.
This is part of a museum, and the boy's name is David. Can you see the strange drums? Color the smaller one. Color it red, please. Now, can you see the dinosaur? It's behind David in this picture. Use your green pencil to color that, but only color its head, okay? David is looking at the big pyramid, isn't he? The one on the floor. It's made of glass, I think. Color that now, please. Find your yellow pencil and color it with that. And find the flag. It's in the corner. It's big, isn't it? Colour it purple. Do that now, please. Thank you.